So good afternoon dear students, welcome to maths class. Before 13 questions is over, now we will be explaining 14 questions. What they are given? If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 2. So what is there given? First term. First term is denoted by small a. They are given small a value is 2. Given that they are given first term. First term is denoted by small a. The given value is a is equal to 2. Next, what they are given? 20th term is 59. They are given 20th term. They are given 59. 20th term then can be written as a plus 19d is equal to 59. How came this one? A plus 19d. Normally, nth term of arithmetic progression formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here in place of n, what is there? 20 is there. In place of n, substitute 20 is equal to a plus n minus 20. 20 minus 1 into d is equal to a plus 20 minus 1 value is 19 into d. So what is the 20th term now? A plus 19d. That's why we are 20th term can be replaced by a plus 19d is equal to 59. Next. First term you are writing there is a is equal to 2. Next to 20th term writing 59. What they are asking? Calculate. To calculate 32nd term to calculate. Listen carefully. First term is there. 20th term value is there to calculate 32nd term. But common difference value is not given. That's why common difference value also you have to calculate. To find the values are, one is the common difference to calculate, next to find the 32nd term. Now you know a value. In substitute a value here, a replaced by 2. 2 plus 19d is equal to 59. 2 take right hand side. 19d is equal to 59 minus 2. 19d is equal to 15 minus 2 value is 57. 19 send the denominator. 57 by 19. 19 1 ja, 19 3 ja. So d value is you get value. What is the value you get? D value 3. Next to calculate 32nd term. Now applying nth term of arithmetic progression is En is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. To calculate 32nd term is any value is 32. Second term of arithmetic progression is to calculate 32nd term. A replaced by 2. N they are given 32 minus 1. D value. What is the D value get? The value got substitute 3. 2 plus 32 minus 1 value is 31 into 3 is equal to 2 plus 31 into 3 93. So 93 plus 2 value is 95. Finally you got the answer is 32nd term is 95. It is clear? Did you understand? What they are given? First term value they are given 2 means first term is denoted by small a is equal to 2. Next they are given 20th term they are given 59. Left side 20th term can be written as a plus 19d. Already I explained before. Tn can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. N replaced by 20. A plus 20 minus 1 value is 19d. That's why 20 term can be written as a plus 19d. You don't know d value. That's why first of all you calculate d value. A value substitute. Now a replaced by 2 plus 19d is equal to 59 plus 2 take right hand side. 59 minus 2 value is 57. 19 1 ja, 19 3 ja. Finally you got the d value is 3. Now to calculate 32nd term. Now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression a is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Easily we have to substitute the all values. So a value no, d value knows, and values all the values substitute in the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Finally we have to prove that 32nd term. So a value replaced by 2, n replaced by 32 minus 1 into d value is 3. Now product with 31 into 3 value is 93. 93 plus 2 is 95. Finally we got the 32nd term is 95. It is clear? Did you understand this problem? Next question, 15th one. Very easy. First of all, what they given, first of all you should write. After that, what we have to find means we easily have to identify. Next one, 15th question. Very easy. All the problems. 15th question is the third term of on the third term of on the third term of an arithmetic progression is 25 and the 10th term is -3 and the 10th term is -3. Find the first term, find the first term and common difference The read the question carefully. What are given? The third term is 25 they are given, 10th term they are given -3. To calculate the first term, find the value is A and common difference is find the value is B. So they are given third term and 10th term their value they are given. Finally to calculate first term and common difference. Did you understand what they are given? Which values are calculated? They are given that what they are given that third term they are given 25. Third term they are given 25. Third term can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 25. Consider equation number 1. How to write this one is n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N replaced by 3 is third term. A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 where is 2 into D. Now we should write third term can be written as A plus 2D. That's why we are writing third term can be written as A plus 2D. Next which term they are given? 10th term they are given. T10 means 10th term they are given -3. In before they are given third term they are given 25. Next to 10th term they are given -3. 10th term can be written as A plus 90 is equal to -3. This equation consider to same like n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 10 replaced by 10. A plus 10 minus 1 into D. A plus 10 minus 1 is 9 D. So finally we can write 10th term can be written as A plus 9. That's why we are writing there. Now what I ask you? Find the values first term to calculate first term to calculate common difference B. How to find the first term and common difference? Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Here we are applying the elimination method. I already explained first chapter. Elimination method. Elimination method is nothing but here only in the second chapter x coefficient y coefficient is there, but here A coefficient D coefficient will be there. We should eliminate any one coefficient. How to eliminate it? Listen carefully. Solving 1 and 2. First equation is right. A plus 2D is equal to 25. Second equation is A plus 90 is equal to -3. Sir, in this both the A coefficient values are same. So don't multiply any value directly. You should elimination. Now subtracting sign will be changing. Plus will be there. You have to change it. Negative. Here also negative. Minus will be there. Plus positive sign. Plus A minus A get cancelled. 2D minus 90 value is minus 7D. 25 plus 3 value is plus 28. Minus 7 denominator minus 28 by 7. 7 ja 7 4 ja. Finally we got the values. D is equal to -4. Finally, we got the common difference value is -4. Next, we want a value. That's why d value substitute any one equation, 1 or 2. So d is equal to -4 value. Substitute in equation number 1. We get what is the equation number 1? A plus 2d is equal to 25. Now substitute the d values. D replaced by -4 is equal to 25. Plus into -4 is -2. 4 8 is equal to 25 minus 8. Take right hand side. 25 plus 8 values is equal to 33. Finally, got the first term value under common difference. What they given? Third term they given 25. Third term can be written as a plus 2d is equal to 25. Next they are given 10th term they are given -3. 10th term can be written as a plus 9d is equal to -3. Find the first term under common difference. Means first term is divided by small a. Common difference is divided by small d. Finally, we can prove that a value and d value. How to find the a value and d value means solving the both the equation 1 and 2. Now we are doing elimination method. So both the equations are same. That's why directly will be cancellation. 2d minus 90 values -70. 25 plus 3 values plus 28. If you want to d value -7, send the denominator. 7 1 plus 7 4. We got the d values -4. Next we want a value. That's why d value substitute in equation number 1 or 2. So now I am substituting d value in equation number 1. Finally, we get the first term a value is 33. Did you understand everyone? It is clear. The next question. Very simple. They are given third term and 10th term. So we can solve the both the equation. So finally, we got the first term under common difference value. So whenever we are understanding the question, easily we can solve the question. Easily we can write the solution. Okay? The next 16th question. 16th question. Show that means prove that. Show that or prove that. Both are same meaning only. Show that 13th and 15th and 15th terms of the series. Very important question this one. Series 25, 22, 19, 16, so on. 25, 22, 19, 16, so on, or -11 and -122 respectively. 122 respectively. What they given? Listen carefully. Show that means prove that 13th term you have to prove that -11. You have to prove that 13th term you have to prove that -11. Next you have to prove that 15th term is -122. You have to calculate. So that 13th term you have to prove that -11. Next 15th term you have to prove that -122. Next they are given sequence. How to prove that 13th term is -11, 15th term -122. How to prove that? They are already given sequence. So easily you have to identify the first term under common difference. After that, applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Listen carefully. Solution. Given sequence is 25, 22, 19, 16, so on. This sequence definitely is there in the arithmetic progression. What is the first term here? 25. First term is denoted by small a. The given sequence first term is 25. So a value is 25. Next, common difference b. Common difference, the difference between any two terms is same. That's why I am taking one element 22. Before term is 25. 22 minus 25 value is -3. What they are asking? Prove that. Show that or prove that. 13th term we have to prove that -7 and 15th term we have to prove that minus 122. So a value know, d value know, n values we know. N values 30, first one. So now applying the nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now first one, what is the given 13th term? 13th term of arithmetic progression is 13th term. 13th term. What is the a value? A value is 25. N value is 13 minus 1 into d value is minus 3. Now simplify. 25 plus 13 minus 1 value is minus 3. 25 plus into minus 3 is 36. Finally we got the 13th term is minus 11. So 13th term is minus 1. We have to prove. Next we have to prove that 15th term. So formula should apply. Nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. To calculate 15th term, how to prove that? Minus 122. So n replaced by 15. So 15th term of arithmetic progression is 15th term to calculate. The a value is 25, n value is 50, minus 1 into d value is minus 3. 25, 50 minus 1 value is 49 minus 3 is equal to 25 plus into minus 49 into 3 is 9 27. So 147. 25 minus 147 value is minus 122. Finally we got the answer. They given. Show that 13th term we have to prove that minus 11. So we are proving 13th term is equal to minus 11. Next to prove that 15th term we have to prove that minus 122. So finally we have to prove 15th term is minus 122. It's a simple question. They are given one sequence series. They are given one sequence series to prove that 13th term we have to prove that minus 11. 15th term we have to prove that minus 122. So what they are saying is that as it is, now we are taking first term is denoted by a is equal to 25, d is equal to minus 3. Now only simple form we are applying and the term of the arithmetic progression. First we have calculated 13th term. That's why we are calculating 13th term is equal to a plus minus 1 into d. A replaced by 25, n replaced by 13 minus 1, d replaced by minus 3. Finally we have to prove 13th term is minus 11. Same like we have to calculate 15th term. N replaced by 50. 15th term is equal to 25 plus 40. 50 minus 1 into minus 3. So 25 plus 49 into minus 3 is minus 147. 25 minus 147 is minus 122. So it is clear? Did you understand? What are given? What we are proving is first of all you should understand the question. Their word is simple. Show that means prove that 13th term you have to prove that minus 7. 15th term you have to prove that minus 122. Easily they are given sequence. Easily you have to write the a value and d value. Only applying the term of the arithmetic. Both the you have to take in same formula. No difference. Easy. Because of the given a value given, d value given, n value also given. So you can all the values substitute in the formula. Finally we get the what they are asking. Okay? Did you understand? It is clear. Next question. This question very important. Next to 4 question very most important. 6 most question. Finally, definitely finally we will asking 6 most question. Next 4 questions. I am explaining 2 questions. Remaining 2 questions we only solve the both the questions. Very important questions. 17. Which term of this series? Which term of this series means term of means n value. Which term of the series 7, 10, 13, so on is 51. Is 151, not 51, is 151. What they are asking? Which term means to calculate nth term value. The given sequence is listen carefully. Given sequence is 7, 10, 13, so on 151. Normally, first term is 7, first term is 7, second term is 10, third term is 13. But which term is 151? Easily we have to understand. First term A value is 7, second term is 10, third term is 13. What is which term is 151? Which term is 151? You don't know. That's why to calculate n value. To calculate n value. Finally, easily we are writing first term is 7, second term is 10, third term is 13. Finally, which term is 151? That's why to calculate n value. So now, how to calculate n value? So this is normally general form of arithmetic progression is first term is a, second term is a plus b, third term is a plus 2d, so on a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, first term is divided by t1, second term t3, so on tn. Now, this is a solution. First term is divided by small a. Small a where what is the given 7. So, given that small a they are given 7. Next, common difference 10 minus 7. Any term minus before term. 10 minus 7 value is 3. Now, first term, second term, third term. First term is 7, second term is 10, third term is 13. Tn value is 151. Tn value is 151 to calculate n value. So how can I write this? So you understood? First term, second term, third term, nth term. That's why nth term value is 151 we are writing. Next, write nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You don't know 151 which term. That's why you don't know nth term. That's why you have to calculate n value. What is the Tn value? What is the Tn value is 151. Nth term value is 151. What is the a value? A value is 7. N value don't know to calculate, and that's why you are writing as it is. What is the d value? D value is 3. Now function we are taking one side. Plus 7 take left hand side. 151 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So continuation. So what is the value of 151 minus 7 is? So 11 minus 7 4. So that value is 144 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 151 minus 7, that value is 144 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 3 set to the denominator. So 144 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So cancellation 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja 12, remaining 2 is 24, 3 8 ja 24. So now 48 is equal to n minus 1, but we have to calculate n minus 1, take left hand side. 48 plus 1 is equal to n. So 48 plus 1 value is 49. So n is equal to 49. What they are asking? Find the nth term. So find the term of which term of the series means 151 which term. So 49th term value is 151. How to telling like that? 49 term is 151 here. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So anywhere what you are getting 49. T 49 is a value will get 7. 49 minus 1 into d value is get 3. 7 plus, so 49 minus 1 is 40. 48 into 3. 7 plus 3 4 ja, 3 8 ja 24. 144. 144 7 is 151. Easily we have to identify 49th term is 151. That's why first of all is to calculate n value. Finally conclusion, 151 is which term? Therefore 49th term value is 151. Very easy, very important question for the final exam. 6 marks question. Only which term of the series means 151 is which term to calculate. So that's why you have to calculate n value. 7, 10, 13, so is 151 means 10, 7, 10, 13, so on here, right? 151. First term is 7. So first term is divided by small a. Okay? Small a is equal to 7. Common difference. What is the common difference? This value is 10 minus 7 is 3. So difference is t. First term, second term, third term, nth term. So nth term we are writing 151. The n value they are not given. Thus we are calculating n value. So now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Finally we have to prove that n value. Now what they are asking? 151. You have to prove that which term value is 151. Now finally we have to prove that 49th term value is 151. So it is clear? Did you understand? Very easy. Next question. I am explaining step by step. Okay. So listen carefully. Understand all the steps. Next typing question. Which term of the series 5, 13, 21, so on is 181. Is given one sequence 181. You have to prove that which term is. To prove that n value. Term is number of terms. N is nothing but number of terms and number of elements. That's why we are taking which term of the 181 is which term? First term you know, second term you know, third term you know, so on. So 181 which term? You don't know. That's why to prove that n value. Given sequence is 5, 13, 21, so on 181. So now A is called first term. What is the given sequence? First term is 5. So first term is A is equal to 5. B is equal to common into 13 minus 5. That value is 8. Next, first term, second term, third term, nth term. Nth term what is the given? 181. To calculate number of term is which term is 180 minus we have to calculate n value. Now applying the nth term of arithmetic progression formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the nth term value they are given? 181. What is the a value given? 5. N value you have to calculate. That's why we are writing as this. So d value is 8. So plus 5 take left hand side 180 minus 5. Constant will take left hand side is equal to n minus 1 into 8. Now 180 minus 1 is 176 is equal to n minus 1 into 8. It is in the denominator. 176 by 8 is equal to 8 minus 1. So 8 cancellation positive 8 1 ja 8 2 ja 16 remaining one is 16 ja 16 finally get the 22 is equal to n minus 1. Finally we have to prove that n minus 1 to the hand side. 22 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 23. So finally we got the 23. So 23 term is 181. So 20th term is 181. So how can I write 20 term 180 means we can apply the same formula. n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the n value? 23. So 23rd term is a value is 5. N value is 23 minus 1 into d value is 8. So 5 plus 23 minus 1 is 22. So 22 into 8. 5 plus 22 into 8 value is 176. 5 plus 176 is 191. So now 23rd term is 181. That's why I am writing here. So very important, very easy. Only one formula applying here. So all the questions only applying only one formula. What is given? Actually you have to prove that easily. You have to identify. Okay? Here. Which term of the series means which term of the 181? Which term of the is 181 means you don't know term. That's why to calculate the n value. First term they given. Next to nth term they given. To calculate n value. That's why we are applying nth term of the arithmetic progression is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term value is 181. So substitute 181 is equal to a value is 5. So 5 n value you don't know. That's why we are writing as it is. D value you get, that value substitute 8. Now simplify all the values, finally you get the 23. So 20th term value is 191. 23rd value is 181. It is clear? Do you understand? Next question. Very important these questions. So don't confusion what they are given. First of all, you should understand the question. What they are through that. Easy you have to understand. After that, you can solve the question. Next, 19. Is 101 a term is 101 a term of the series 5, 7, 9, so on. Very important discussion. Don't confusion. Same before question, same like before question. Which term of the series? Some sequence they are given is some value they are given, but here directly they are given 101 term of the series means they are given not series, but in a textbook they are given series. We can change that one sequence. Okay, 5, 7, 9, so on. 101 which term you don't know. 101 values which term you don't know. Just have to calculate. Then value same like given sequence is 5, 7, 9, so on. 101. Don't tell me before question they given 5 some sequence they given is value they given, but here given not to mention which term of this. That's why is 101 a term of this series. No, 5, 7, 9, so on. 101 term. Which term is 101? You have to calculate. That's why you are writing sequence is 5, 7, 9, so on. 101. So A is called first term. A value they given. D is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. First term, second term, third term, so on, nth term. So T is equal to 101. You have to prove that n value. Which term value is 101? You have to prove that. Which term of value is 101? You have to prove that. Means to calculate n value. So now applying nth term of arithmetic progression is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values. Nth term value is 101, a value is 5, n value don't know, we should write as it is, b value is 2. Now simplify, plus 5 take left hand side, 101 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So what is the 101 minus 1 is? 96 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 2 sets the denominator, 96 by 2 is equal to n minus 1, 2, 1. Cancellation, 2 4 8, 2 8 is 16. 48 is equal to n minus 1 minus 1. Take left hand side. 48 plus 1 is equal to 1. So n is equal to 49. What they are asking? 101 is which term? 49th term value is 101. Therefore, 49th term is 101. So how can I write this? Before already I explained, same like n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value? Get any value? 49 is equal to a value is 5, n value is 49 minus 1 into d value is 2 is equal to 5 plus 48 into 2. So 5 plus 48 into value is 96. 96 plus value is 101. So now 49th term value is 101. That's why the given one sequence to calculate 101 is which term means to find the value n value. That's why what the given sequence to writing as this. Don't confuse here. In before question, which term of the series one sequence is you have to prove that they will given. But here directly starting only they are given is 101 term. Means 101 which term value is 101 don't know. That's why to calculate n value. So first term they are given 5, second term they are given 7, third term they are given 9, nth term they are given 101. That's why you are saying a value is 5. D is the difference. In these two differences to or else these differences to next nth term value is 101. Find the value number of terms. Now find the form of the arithmetic progression formula. Finally we get the a value is 49. So 101 is 49th. You understand? This process definitely there are 4 questions very important. This type of questions are very important. Did you understand today's concept? Suppose if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay? Thank you all.